Hi everyone, I'm Simone. Welcome to SnapBackBody Raw Weight Loss Camp. Are you ready to join the weight loss camp? Go to my website and sign up. There's a link below. The website is SnapBackBodyRaw.com. This is a 5-month program where we are going to lose up to 100 pounds and heal our bodies. Join me, let's do this together. Every day there's a new video showing you what to do, what to eat, how to make it, and most importantly, what are raw foods. We'll also have every week a live class where I will prepare a delicious meal. I'll give you more information on the benefits of raw foods, including the rapid weight loss effects of raw food and the healing effects of it. Most importantly, you'll be able to ask questions and have your questions answered. There's so many questions about a raw food diet. Also, you'll have access to the Facebook group where you'll get support, you'll get to talk to other members of our team. You'll also have access to our... It's so important to have support as we're losing weight and healing our bodies. This is a 5-month program. Go to my website for more information, including pricing. The website again is SnapBackBodyRaw.com. This is a raw weight loss camp. We are snapping our bodies back to where they're meant to be, healthy and fit. SnapBackBodyRaw.com. Let's get started.